Now welcome to the late night show. Thank you very much. Yes. All right. Yeah. How everybody day?
Yes.
Hopes everybody day very, very okay. Wednesday. Somehow, don't they approach the end of 2015. 2015.
Just like that.
You understand? Not be joke, it's not easy. You know how many people go this year? We know you make calm. We know us joke. On a more serious note, even you when they watch like this, you know people the way you start the year with. Or somehow, they're not there now to even they watch the show where they see like this. So if for any reason, more talk about God. Oh, not a small something. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the late night show. How do you think they call them? This one we get 2 more days to wrap up the year.
Yeah.
2 more days.
Okay.
And so this one I be not be second to last.
Yeah.
Second of the last.
Oh yeah.
Now be today also.
second to the last.
But anyway, ladies and gentlemen, all the time about God, say everybody don't see at least this day, and all of us will gotta see the end, and of course the beginning of 2016.
Amen.
Man. All right. So now your boy Ogbolor, baby. You know how they do it. Yeah. Thank you. And of course, on the ones and the twos and the...
On the wheels of steel.
It's Mr. Incredible. The most wanted DJ. DJ Easy Beats.
Okay. All right. So quickly, we'll sharply enter the show. We'll see how to rock every for today like this. All right. We're going to look forward to tomorrow own and next tomorrow own because as it be so, we also carry on go back to what we don't do for the year. So don't worry, just sit back. We'll make sure we'll give you the best for the last few days inside 2015 on top of the late night show. And the biggest thank you to everybody who don't join us from beginning. Even when we fed on top of our platform and everything, we say thank you to all of now. Don't stay true to us. Even for the new people that don't join us, on top Go TV. Take it. All right. Now, M.I. The short black boy from Jos.
Let go.
Yeah. One of the best things we happen to rap for this country.
Yeah, sir.
One of the guy with the baddest lyrics.
Yes, sir.
One of the guys with too short. That's M.I.
Yes,
M.I.
sir.
Bagger, swag too much and every. M.I. talk say, man, as he be like this now. He say, any girl when go want marry. He say, and the girl yellow. He say, he no go just jump go marry. He must see the girl childhood picture first. Because these days, the way girls say they yellow everywhere now. Many go black from birth, they'll call yellow for upcoming.
Oh, Lord.
And say people don't bleach, reach where they say don't forget say they feel black. You bleach away yourself, bleach away your true identity.
You forget.
Oh, no. But easy bit. If you see some girls bleaching.
That's not funny, some they rhyme.
That be the thing I tell you.
We go to
some
rhyme, man. You be like, what's going on here?
That one don't pass bleaching. That's washing. They wash the skin.
She's born again.
They got different one though. You get the one with this girl they say White Delicious. What's be her name? I don't forget her name. This Nigerian girl they say White Delicious cream up and down. I forget her name again. Anyway, that one arrange the skin.
You be born again.
Oh, your skin will be born again. Not be joke, but I know a person who they promote bleaching.
Yeah.
At the same time, I no go say person who they do am, no do am. But I always talk say, man, person just stay true to who he be as person. But Emma don't come and talking. Say, man, in him personally, you say they appreciate all those bleaching skin
all
things.
Right.
Say the kind girl when go like marry. Say now girl will be say she just the true to her race skin.
Natural.
If you yellow, if you know yellow, but no just turn one around for the other one. At the same time, say she must tall. Say because he not tall. As a short black boy from just, he
Based
not
on
say
who
he's
he
short,
be,
not be
oh,
say,
yeah.
not be say they deceive himself, say tall, spiritual. You say deceive yourself sometimes, say, forget, I tall.
They try.
He's saying no. I know I'm close to the ground.
Black
Boy.
boy.
He know the short black boy from Jos, and at the same time, he say, but the girl when go like to marry must tall. Must talk past him at least.
Not a must.
No, must. He said because
behalf of the
he want
children.
correct in future now.
On behalf of the children.
Easy. On behalf of the children. Make them not go wake up one day, can't say all of them can't be like mota. No. They want correcting future things. You get me now? I know one of my guy, he work for a year. Instead get program for TV. You understand? He short there. And he get big. So he can't go marry babe. Children are the same height self. They are picking. There's two. But if you see where she fine, if you see her fine, oh no. Can't see their picking where they don't born now.
Oh, they don't born now.
Oh no. Fine things like this.
Wow.
I'm not gonna mention his name. Now person where when they roll together, say.
Well, like.
I'm not gonna mention it because if he bust here now, bust my head. All right. But anyway, even Ogbolor correct in future.
No, the guy correct her well.
Ogbolor correct in
well.
He talk now. He say, lock up, correct your destiny. You know, before you jump inside. Not say you get big teeth. Go see person will get big teeth. Una marry together. Una go bunch of it.
Label.
You understand? It's not too good. You short. You marry person way short. You can't ugly like. We cannot just to talk. But please correct your future. All right. So you're not talking. Oh no. He say even if any woman come meet and say she get belle for him, saying go accept him, but you must first prove say. Two of us collabo.
Okay.
You are not beside us
go. We run that thing.
Say
mistake not go even reach their self.
He say make we look Two-Face now. Two-Face claim all in children. All the children with Two-Face born from different women, they're close together. Say if Two-Face feed one, say why no go feed one? Say boss, the proof say we love you. Must they in the mix. Okay, before we say we link the soup together, you have to prove it. We have to prove it together. All right. So Koko number 2.
I'm in love with the Koko.
The way people say they love some kind of material things. But well, I'm not going to blame this particular man for this story what I get now. Because, you know, when person not old, reach one stage.
Oh, yeah?
If you get like dog, maybe children not dey your house. You and the dog come close, some old people going to treat the dog like another pikin where they get. I know of one person from my former street that year where the man I saw a bill. Him and the dog, you don't feel separate the two. All the children don't grow, leave house. And not for another woman again, we they raise goats. For all that place, that what I did for Ore. Old woman, goats, now flood the house, the children not there. You not fit, those goats, they sleep inside her house. Not before outside, the goat is still. Inside, if you enter that woman's house, now goat shit, you just they smell everywhere. But the woman just okay with her goat like that. You go surprise, you go shock you waiting, some people they tie to themselves. Before they no one agree say made it detach from them. This is what I get now for Bodo Ibo this will happen. The man somehow in Land Rover when they drive just enter inside water. Okay, Pale, may we save you come outside now? Pale say no. He said like in Land Rover in motor where don't they sink the enter inside water. He said no, they must save two of them together. Pale no agree open the roof of the motor, make the drag. Motor come they sing. Pale say no, my baby. Say no, we want die, no. I don't go. Pale no agree. Now they bust the up. Now be that all this they do on top so.
Pale go fence.
Now the up of the Land Rover be that too. Land Rover don't sink enter. Pale, he nearly die now. And they come bust that place open, come drag her come outside. Say come outside. Don't worry you. Land Rover, yeah. No, but the man don't be attached to the Land Rover.
Now obsession now come here.
I don't go call an obsession because now old age. Now the thing where in don they keep seeing say this one now only this one I get. If I lose this one now, it be like I will lose farm. It be like I will lose some kind. To him now remaining property.
Now remaining property, wife, children, everything.
Everything wife don't die. Children don't waka come out go find life. This one now can remain say now the only one you get be this. Every morning go they clean and say, wow, my baby. Oh, look at your tire. It's not well to adjust to. Oh, they call the drive what they call drop it water. Pale say no, they bust the guy up. Can't come outside. When they come outside, when he look back, he say make person go save the motor. I beg go. Make una go try to bring out my Land Rover. If na no fit save the motor, bring the key, come outside. Before Pale come enter inside shock because of the cold, we can't worry him.
You can't go shock.
You can't enter shock now. They can't carry ambulance, carry and go hospital. But you go shock you what people they attach yourself to. But anyway, at the end of the day, Pale, life no go. Even the motto, but any which way. Finally, Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
You are never too old to get married. You are never too old to do a thing. Get married. You understand me now? Time is not too late for you.
Tell them.
You can be a grandfather, a grandmother at any age. You can still get married. Hello?
Hi.
Not be 56 and 51 years old. Talk last week.
Married the other day.
They married themselves. Oh, forget. And God is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all I can think or imagine.
Preach.
Me, I believe say that spirit, they don't feel catch me, come back to.
Ah, shit.
They beg me. Come up for spirit, bros. Okay. Now, this man, if you come back, this two of them. 91 years old man and the woman are 96 years old.
Wow.
The man 91, the woman 96. He said they've been living in sin for 10 years.
You know what?
They've been living in sin for 10 years. Now he said they don't date for like 10 years. So maybe they don't kiss. They don't marry you. Maybe they don't kiss. Maybe they don't even love you.
Love you, joy.
I know. I
With their grey hair.
they try to carry it be. But any which way, say, but somebody just sit down for outside one evening. Now the man just look say, I just the outside the flex. Because the man don't get children. The children don't get children.
Obviously.
The woman said don't get children. The children don't get children. But so they run things for 10 years.
Cool.
Because
10
they say 10 years now. They say when he be 81 and she be 86. The man gonna look say this sin what they live. We are living in sin. But really, we classify their own as sin because at that their age, I still like I don't take the kiss. But anyway, that the man can't look in own son, can't say, what do you feel if I just tell this babe now, say, me want marry her? Now the boy say, not be my palette now, not be my call. If you want marry her, marry her. See, now I just look the woman and say, babe, have fun now. For 10 years now, then they commit sin together. As it be like this, now we'll take this in legal. You go marry me. Now the babe say, wow! She double top him. Oh, they give her a hot kiss. Now so do you want to talk now? He gave me a very, very deep and passionate kiss. 96, 91.
They know what's up.
Then no.
They start out, so they know what's up.
Yeah. See that from there, see people come and tell and say, say come at my age, now still one come they look this thing.
Before.
She said she don't worry and sin so because she's senior with 5 years. She don't worry the guy since say, when we go marry, this one they do like this so
don't break
every
my heart
time.
too,
Don't go break my heart too.
Another person feed there now.
If you know say you don't serious, make I call John. John, they himself like me because me said the last time I wear bomb shot, John look me do me like this. So if you don't say Anyway, she said her friends and things say that wonderful thing, and some even thought say she don't they go crazy. Say, but you are never too old to get married. Now she they talk now. Say nobody way there outside they way too old to marry. You understand? Most importantly for companionship sake. Because you go reach as old person.
You don't understand myself.
You don't need companion. If not, you go pass the while give children. And children, they find their own life, they go forward. Meanwhile, you go, they say, where are my children? If you be 70, 80, 90, you feel still marry for companionship sake. Not necessarily for any other to born children or anything, but also get closure with person. Very, very important. That loneliness will keep people well.
A lot faster.
Keep people well. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, now the cocoa of the day be that. What do you feel about this couple then? About marriage at old age? What do you feel about her? Let me know on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach for there. And then make yourself, give us your own gist. Follow us for that self. MI talk say no go marry woman way. If you see her picture, say she black, later she can't yellow for life. You say no go marry her. Say because that can be very, very deceptive. What do you feel about the gist? Let me know on top Twitter, and then from there we go run the whole package. All right, at W Late Night Show. We they come back right now. Easy. Okay. All right. Okay, so integrity, based on the integrity and everything, we will uphold our integrity for the late night show. You understand? Because we understand, say, now all about our customers, will be the audience, that when they watch the whole package like this. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, 2016, no worry, we'll kind of turn up. this show will go turn them up to the next level. And we believe say una self go there to also they appreciate all the entertainment, edutainment, and every with the songs you give now. All right, so right about now, want do video things. You get me now? And then what you just say, just to make everybody mind come down the Wednesday evening, we just do them back to back. All right, so right about now, easy beat. We all run this whole thing sharply. This on a good day. Now Fridays they give out on our videos and all. But you know, so but this particular Friday when they come will be New Year. So we get some other package to run for everybody. You understand? Thursday itself will be New Year Eve.
My birthday as well.
And Easy Beat birthday January 1st. January countdown to Easy Beat's birthday. So January 1st, make everybody just go on top Twitter, wish him happy birthday at DJ Easy Beat on top Twitter, and at the same time on top Instagram at DJ Easy Beat. Very crazy human being, very on point DJ, very cool guy like this. As he be like this, now he talk past me, Mona lock up, he talk past me steady. Now because you do the DJ work, now make I all cool down. But anyway, January 1st, Easy Beat could they launch in birthday things 1 year older. Okay, so right about now, by tomorrow, we'll see giving us some of the best times we don't get for the year. So make everybody just watch and sit back, relax. So what you supposed to do on Friday, more your carry and can't give now for today. So now we get 5 videos them, where we just songs given now. Make everybody just enjoy the full package, all right? And then we'll start with the first one, Olamide Melo. If you're not saying, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.